So today we're gonna be playing Fishing Clash. I'm pretty sure that's the name. Real quick, let me just check it out. And yeah, that's the right thing. Oh, whoops. No, not. You want to get you look at combo. I'll show you combo, and then you try to get that 100%. And that's definitely for that one. So yeah. Oh no, so. That's what the sound in the background. While you give me like an epic that I have not, the epic that I have not gotten, or the legendary that I have not gotten. No, just please, give me that stuff. Just please, Fishy, please. I just want my legendaries and epics, please. Please. That please. Pretty please. No, you say yes. Say yes. Okay, anyways. Keep on fishing. So fun like that. Okay, so I have all these ones. I have these, all of that, all of them. Wait, I got that one. Wait, what? I thought I didn't get the epic one. Anyways, but I need these two, just these two, and then I can go here, which has a bunch of cool fishes. So that, yeah, I want to get the 2 legendaries. So, anyways, let's go fishing. So, let's go fishing and okay, this red line fish. Okay, from the red family. You guys, and let's start fishing, and let's go, 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 epic. Ooh. No. Type of biggest primary I've ever gotten. So, and it's tiny. The Quiet, Ron. Just please be a legend. Okay. Still saying real, even though I'm done real. Don't ask questions. So, did you guys see the, oh never mind, I think I already explained that. Yeah, you have to keep, like, you have to keep your, you have to tap and keep yourself in the middle, like, keep on tapping on the wheel button, and then keep it, like, in the middle of this. I'll show you. Wait. Never mind, I'm gonna stop.